Hello everyone, and welcome to GEOS 380 Geological Hazards. This is Professor Jessica Larson with the University of Alaska Fairbanks Department of Geology and Geophysics. I'm a volcanologist by training. I have a PhD in geology, and I've worked in the state of Alaska since 1997 with the Alaska Volcano Observatory. I've participated with the observatory in monitoring 7 eruptions in the last 15 years, so I have a lot of hands-on experience with volcanological science, monitoring, and mitigation efforts in the state and elsewhere around the world. GEOS 380 is a survey course. We'll examine natural hazards and disasters, and during the course of the semester, you will be focusing on the types of hazards and case study disasters that you're most interested in. We'll learn through the case studies about the basic science behind the hazardous phenomena that cause disasters, how scientists and emergency managers monitor and mitigate the effects of disasters, how society responds, and we'll examine some lessons learned through the case studies. You'll also be examining your own state of preparedness and community preparedness relevant to the communities that you live in or your families live in. The capstone project will take all that you've learned from the semester and allow you to teach others about the case study and the disasters that you're most interested in, either by writing a paper, a white paper that's aimed at educating the public or emergency managers in the community of interest, or creating an infomercial or some other public educational tool based around your case study disaster choice. If you were taking this course on campus, you'd be expected to participate in 3 hours of lecture per week, plus an additional 6 to 7 hours outside of the classroom working on projects, assignments, and blog posts. You'll be expected to participate to the same degree in this course online as you would if you were taking the course on campus. It is very important to me that each and every one of you feels involved in a course community where we have mutual interests in learning about the science behind hazards, monitoring and mitigation efforts, and lessons learned from a societal standpoint. Because it's an online distance delivery course, it's very important to me that each and every one of you feels involved in this learning community as a member of a peer group devoted to learning about hazards and disasters. Because of this, I will have you regularly participate in community blog posting, commenting, and discussion groups, and at least one group project so that you can be sure to feel a part of a course community rather than as an individual working online with your computer alone. If at any time you need assistance with the course material, the tools, the technology, or any other aspect of the course, please contact me. Between myself and the staff at eLearning, we're dedicated to making sure that your online learning experience is as seamless, enjoyable, and productive as possible. Once again, thank you for joining me for GEOS 380 Geological Hazards, and I look forward to learning with you about hazardous phenomena and disasters throughout this semester. Welcome.